So here we have to evaluate the value of this, okay? Sine to the power 4 theta plus cos to the power 4 theta plus 2 sine square theta dot cos square theta. Alright. So for saving time, I've written the question here. So let's go ahead and try and evaluate this. Okay. We have a few options over here. We have to tick the correct option. Alright. Now from the identities, okay, we know that sine square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Alright. So confirmed. This is as per the identities which have been taught to you all. Now, the next move will be to, okay, squaring both sides. What do we get? Tell me. Let's try and find out, okay? So we have this, we are squaring this side, and the right hand side 2 is to be squared. Okay, to do justice, what we do to LHS, we do to the right hand side as well, RHS, correct? Now, since A plus B whole square is equal to A square plus B square plus 2AB, okay, as per the algebraic identity, you can see my video on the entire concept of nearly 12 identities that is there in my whole playlist on algebraic identities. Alright, so let's settle this as per the square of A plus B. Okay, so what do we get? So when we go to square up this, we get, okay, sin⁴ theta cos to the power of 4 theta plus 2AB. A is exactly what we have here, and cos square theta. Alright. Now this is the entire thing that we have it over here, and this side we know it's 1. Alright. We have squared this and obtained this entire elaborate, okay, algebraic expression or trigonometrical expression, and here we have, okay, 1 squared is 1. So hence, okay, our option for the above, okay, this is 1. Okay, this is the answer, which means can we not write fourth one? So the correct option to be ticked is option 4. Alright guys, so this was not very difficult at all. It was in fact very easy. You had to keep in mind the identity and then the tactic of squaring it up so that we obtain this. Alright, so that was it. Now I'm coming with more evaluations in my next video. Thank you so much for watching and giving me your valuable time. Have a great day guys. Enjoy yourself.